Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with a 90-day learning plan that sets weekly goals and milestones so you maintain momentum and measure progress. Break each week into focused blocks and spend 1 hour per weekday practicing writing, research, and analytics to build habit and skill. Focus on 3 content types: blog posts, email newsletters, and social posts to gain transferable skills and compare results. Each week, review 1 published piece, note 1 lesson, and adjust the next week's plan to prioritize what works. Learn SEO basics, keywords, meta tags, and on-page structure to help content rank and attract organic traffic. Master 2 analytics tools, Google Analytics and a social analytics tool so you can track traffic, CTR, and conversions. Use templates to produce 2 drafts and 1 revision per content piece to streamline output and improve quality. Study headlines, calls to action, and formatting. Apply 1 technical SEO change per article and record the impact in a tracking spreadsheet. Publish content to 2 channels and measure CTR and engagement for 30 days to collect reliable performance signals. Iterate weekly with /B tests, headline updates, and re-optimization so each revision becomes more effective than the last. Aim for 25% improvement in traffic within 90 days through consistent testing, distribution, and optimization of top-performing pieces. Track metrics in a simple dashboard. Prioritize experiments that move the needle, and allocate time each week to replicate successful formats or topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.